Boss, Ragga Rookie. Fritters, steamy fry. All of the fritters, them steamy fry. Steamy fry. Couldn't tell about bush steamy, not a lie. Fritters said steamy fry. Fritters, them said
digital and I'm fucking down. Deep, now the sands and I'm ready. All of these scouts are for top of the
how much people say pull up, sir? The show last night. The man who have the most controversy running there lately for this week. The man was the UK Michael Jackson. Ragga Jackson. Fritters. I got fritters here. I got fritters here. I got fritters here, everybody. We have the Fritters Boss, Ragga Rookie, live up in City Lock Radio Studios right now. I don't know. Everything is up. The man say wish hide. After when them tell lie pan you know if you hide. If them a talk the truth pan you can't hide because you're guilty of charge. But Ragga Rookie, the Fritters Boss, up in the studio right here. Shalom Shooter, Kunta TV live exclusive again. Mother in the world. Let them see you, Fritters. Let them see you. See the UK Michael Jackson, Ragga Jackson. This is the Fritters Boss. There's a crying out for the Fritters Boss. This is the Fritters Boss. People share it. The Fritters Boss. Fritters. I got Fritters here, everybody. By next month, I'll be a baby daddy. Like Santa, bring your mother goodie. Best performance, you get Ragga Rookie. Watch the man score. Watch your goodie. Winter and summer. Summer and winter. Everything Fritters in, not Fritters in. Step past stage appear rice, we are fling. Fresh from foreign to world, we bring mackerel and red. This is the Fritters Boss. There's a crying out for the Fritters Boss. This is the Fritters Boss. There's a screaming out for the Fritters. Fritters.
What about salted fritters? What about banana fritters? What about blueberry fritters? Talk about real fritters.
From school days when we are in flickers. From when we are pushed to slippers. From when destroyer kill mosquitoes. From we was a little nippers.
When you flickers not the morning time, afternoon and the evening time. Pop that and make work time. No me get rich, me steamy, but me mind me have laptop. Fritters, staging me fritters. I start fritters. No we gonna rush me on my fritters. We go check Ragga Rookie my pants with the fritters.
When me link pass time for your more fritters. What him say fritters? They will love fritters. Ragga Rookie combo. Deal with the fritters. Couldn't take back much. What him say fritters? Recipe fritters. When you go fritters. When they go school, you know eat fritters.
From the one, everybody knows it. I'm the fritters time.
this is the Fritters Boss.
Come on, everybody, it's the Fritters Boss. Fritters Boss, Ragga Rookie. Make your presence be heard, my brother.
Good afternoon, good evening, good morning
Shalom
to every nice, good, clean heart people in the world, all of my fans. Thank you very much to support me. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. All of my haters, them, when I don't know my heart, that's I forgive her. You understand? I really appreciate the fans, them. Enough love, enough respect, and God is good, and I'm gonna scrape this fast. People, it's not everything I wanna see is real. We have a lot of scammers, a lot of thieves, a lot of bad mind people right now. Why my family never tried this 2 and 3 years back? Why? then nothing I go on for me. When them say me no good, me can't perform. Why you never try this? Look at let you know, look at deal with it fast. When me this, cause the shot the boy and get out this man. You see my mother? My mother now live fair life. My mother is rich. I think my mother one of the richest woman in Jamaica. My mother have a big concrete place at Chisholm Avenue where fair mother dead left. The place there Dusty Park. So don't make this woman make her daughter put up some old clothes and put her in our old place come scam ragga people. Me drop my pride and my dignity for every sweet way me have. I do make a documentary. I'm not a drugs man. I'm telling you something from now. I let you know my secrets. I close them and I design them. Me make me close them. So, me tell you how I go on then. I let you in. My little thing them and me make them. Little thing them around me like a costume them. A £1 and then sit them and pay for them and put them up. I'm not rich. I'm just kind. So, this woman have born 10 million people. I made the sector last one to you. Why on I try and I try? Embarrass me. It don't fear. When leave me alone, I send food all on the cover foreign. On the come do foolish people in the country and then send on home. And me do my like a 1-1. All on get 6 months I send for you know. Me only get 3 weeks. Leave me alone. Please. And stop believe these scammers and these thieves. You know much house in the yard? Me build a brand new house give you up on a capture land. What you want me to build for this for up on capture land? I'm not stupid, I'm not dunce. And the next thing again, my mother, my father, my brother never grow me. All me know them to beat me up when me a little boy. I can't show you a cut and scare from my body. And if them face me in my face, I will reveal it and show them what scare them give me. None of my brother can talk to my face. Because I'm telling you something, Jamaica, England, the world. And me see my brother them life. You see I one day America, when the I mean make him come to America, you know. Cause guess now, me's a youth. Everywhere me go, my ex them tell you. Everybody love ragga. Me just a joy, like a youth where just have a vibe as a kid. I mean they know me to make it. You see me, so him know when me bring him for the sell bicycle, I want to leave fast at the time. Cause me bring him the sell bicycle over Maxi Park and man, when we are come over, no, you the woman to me. Cause this is a boy I come talk about my mother and feel mother. My mother pick you up, I throw you in a rubbish bin down the road. And my father and mother pick you up in a rubbish bin for you must about 1 week. And wash you off, boy. And guess what now? Your mother come now and depend, oh, you is my son, rather, you is my son. And I say, no, see your ugly people there, see your son there, see up with there. You don't say anything, cause people sorry, you know, cause from Wednesday, I don't eat or sleep, you know, I pee your water, you know. And anytime when I make me cry again, they think me I cry. People not to know the pain I go through, people. It hurt when you hear black hair. Him know, when the woman if I know he is my son, I say no, see the woman say no, and you me love her like that mean I mean them from me and suffer me at them. Could I say yeah, and you nobody couldn't tell the woman say that me are pitney. Anyway, him go a friend, so we are look for him now for help we. You see me? As a brother will go, we happy to say, yo, we are going to America now. Because them tell if you have a family, or Canada, you go to Canada. In the way you have a family, so the whole of us say we are going to America now. The man go to America, that turn him back one way. You see me? So anyway, this man come to Jamaica one time and buy one car. And when the man buy the car, the man go up to Top Park and wash the car. And lick down the people and go to Top Park. And kill the people and go to the whole Top Park come forward and kill the man and beat the man. Everybody knows Sir Ragga Ruby a madman. I pay a big stone and see my brother life. Cause for them see me, them know the whole community have to run. You see me? Anyway, I see the man play football now and trainers. I know, you know. And see the man play football now and trainers and take the trainers and wash it up. Them tell they have the little white wash with the sponge and you saw me and say white wash, whitening. When the man see me and put up the trainers and little trainers and see the man. General, more about my trainers in a kitty, you know. Me shame like dog, Maka kill me. Pay up juke, Maka juke me up coming and know the man take back him trainers. People, a boy there, when me a little boy, make me push one big car can use to sell juice from Fraxy to up Hagley Park Road, you know. Me alone the boy I was shut the car, you know. I one of the wickedest boy that in the world, him do me something, you know. And I want to see me and face with him. I want to every time I think about it, they grieve me. And I know it there from my body. Every scar from my body, my brother them do to me, me know. People, I'm telling you something, nobody no fight, I'm telling you something. When from me a 5-year-old, I look after myself. My mother robbed when me a 9-year-old, you know, people. I find 200 US and bring no give me mother, you know. Me I go a bush to beard, you know. Cause my mother never know my mother beard me, you know. Go a bush to beard and find me 200 US and bring no give and she take my money to give one of my big brother, you know. And she first rap me, and I forgive her, you know. Cause pay love me show mama, you know. Mama for make the people them know she's my father, you know. When we pick up back in a dance, you know. And come in, you know. She's my father run me out, you know. I'm gonna sleep in the kitchen and them have some board in here, I'm gonna be the folk, you know. I come show what I see if I with dog, be the folk about a woman, yeah, the ex them tell you, and frost the people, a woman, the woman dust dead, woman in rock and roll. That's how they come from crab and program and tell people them say I cemetery sleep and build a little folk and a little folk who can't turn night, make dream of them tell you. And can't turn night folk every night me see woman over me. Every night me had 12 big people and them wickedness of them people that put me through, you know. And through me I get like a shining of people from me a 5-year-old, you know. And me reaching my 40 crap, I couldn't tell them pick up my thing in a pass them, you know. And me thing a little pretty, you know. And this woman and I look up people. Anytime when I make my ball again, you know. Hey, Pastor Ball is Roddy. We love you and Pastor. Leave it alone here. We are going later. I don't know me not drink. I don't drink beer and enjoy life. Don't make nobody come down talk about ragga flask. Me never flask it up here water me drink. When me go and like a dance hall. Cause I'm short one thing must about 10 years ago in my black like time. I'm a white man now. No look so. And I come show thing and I come put up thing. And I think people are that. And you can scam people and take people for that. I go and dance. Everybody do it. Stylo G do it. Gappy Ranks them do it. Dush go long what the other do it. IRP do it. Every artist you have to do it. In a tune I play a show a little dollar give the people and get a little hype and ray. I mean I try to sell me thing to the next generation. Them come show thing like man there. You see me? People, it don't fear this woman of me. People, it no fear. But them grow on mine. Nobody no grow me. Why you think me in a ragaruge? Eh? I pay a tear up body pants. Me wear. Never no clothes. No at all. You see the title cut out Christmas. And you see the whole of my brother them come out and bush. When me hear 2 more days for Christmas shopping, 2 more days for Christmas. I pay a fret, me a fret. Coming and nobody for give me nothing. They have to get me shovel and get me the pan and I go to the car them and tell the people themselves, me just cement out the road, man, just drop money in it. And then do that, me gone without the money there. I saw me grew up in the people. Me used to want cold skill, you know. You see me? So my sister now, through my mother freed her, the boy America checks him at the golden child. You do your time, youth. It's ragga time now. You send the money to give me sister. And anything even tell mama, cause mama not live her life. I pay beat my sister beat her. Mama fed with then get so much oil pan come from. When me down the people, I down them stay now. Me never see so much oil pan. I don't get oil pan, get one little shop. And a rare and a chow. Mama you have the big factories that she's a been now. You see me?
Why mama in the shop?
Mama in our shop. At that alright, me tell you something. When me and my like a folk cup over rock and roll yard. My folk cup pretty. Which get up people that live so. You know so don't end up people level. Me don't know you know. I cheat them cheat me in the hospital. I don't know about my mother, you know, now wicked. I rank, I stab a son of my mother. Because there's no way you're going to do your boy pity that. What do you mean I buy my butter and cheese? Give your mama. Make my arthritis to buy the bag of butter and cheese. Because you know, after you don't see me 1 year. What do you mean at Jamaica? When I buy the butter and cheese, I may sit down and eat the butter and cheese and even post me then wicked and the bad something to the butter and cheese. You know here to bring down my thing now. Even, look for my documentary, my last documentary. Now, Port Royal, me have you. Island Grill. And I feed, you know, follow me, I put and give her money, for give mama money. Eh? Post me then wicked and put sprinkle thing in the island with food you sit down and eat. Black people, someone else so wicked. I don't think people are wicked. I think people are idiot in this time. Look how the woman here, when people are suffer people don't look so. So the woman fresh and nice. Me used to suffer. Anybody, me used to suffer. People don't know the wickedness I got you. No shoes, nothing. Eh? And these people never. I'm telling you something, people. I never tell none of my brother and my sister them thanks. Never yet tell them thanks as a little youth I grow up. I back grow me. And show me that youth have ambition. I know my brother and sister them look up beat me.
Flitters. We take one call. Good afternoon, City Lab Radio. Horny Pastor, Future Boss, School TV.
Hello, Horny Pastor. What going?
I'm here, my brother. How you doing, sir?
Yeah, you alright?
I'm perfect, brother. How are you?
Yeah, man. Sorry for you what happened this morning. Yeah, we are sorry for that here, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm big up to say, man. We can't take the money, set this on the public thing, you know,
yeah. But more time.
Yeah, man.
More time.
Yeah, man. You have them things have to cut off, no man, and run some tune, man. Yeah. The next man come for the system with them.
No. But you are brother. You are brother.
Get them off them. Yeah.
No. You are my brother. More time you see certain things in life, it has to be cleared up. You can't just leave it and not clear it up because we want you to.
Yeah, but you don't want done, man, and another one come again.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying, bro. This thing disgusting, man, and sickening, man.
I understand what you say, brother. Yeah? Alright, thanks for the call, my brother.
Alright, then bless, man. Good, yeah.
Continue, brother.
Yes, people, I'm enough love and respect, you know, and Carla, big up yourself, you know. I love seeing way, you know, but certain things I have to reveal, you know. You see me? Because soft answer turn away rat, you know, brother. Brother, I love me, I say, you know, brother. You see me, I say, I'm not fight against somebody, you know, nobody want call, you know. And I talk about tune. I love seeing way, because I'm going to be honest with the people, instead of them big artists, yeah. We are talking about tune. Them are using the money with the same people that support them. The full nation buying and they get to give the youth them. A rice ragarugi buy flour and cornmeal and food give poor people. Me do my little documentary and take the money give poor people. So the people them know, if you just know say yo, on the year good at time and the support good because it's a good real youth. Attack to you see me. I don't fear. You see me, which big artists so everybody have boots about what going in the community and feed poor people like a ragga rugged. On the support on a project over there, brother. I know say I love seeing we am peace, brother. And this is a serious thing where make me not eat or sleep, a family thing and we attack. But it make the people know where the thing I come from. You see me? And I just love and respect seeing we people and you know say I just God over everything people. You just know say these people don't take care of me, these people don't grow me. No mother, no father, no grow me. You see me? No sister, no brother, no grow me. And me grow myself and my mother alright in her life. And my sister, you can't get my money for scam because the money they are firing again. You see me? And for love, on us can't talk about I love special pitney. Because some grow up, my mother no love none of her pitney them more than her daughter alone. And set up, you see me, a little thing for rob. Your boy pitney them. It no fear. You see me? I say, me send for you big England. When I come in 1999, I don't know me I go. I me and myself and come my friend, and I come in 1999, I get 3 weeks. And I send for the whole on get 6 months. You see me? Why not? I couldn't come and come start a life. Every year I go down, I bring 2-3 barrels. And I bring the barrel, my mother and my family them first, make it things. You see me? I say, and then I go like people not do not phone, people can get on 99 times. And one time people not get on something. And I try to bring down people. You see me? I say, so at this one America. You see me, I say, give them money. You see me? And I try to bring down the thing, people. You see me, I say, and I take up 2 little whole pan and 2 little whole thing. For bring down ragga thing. You see me, I say, people.
Alright,
my brother, I'll say alright. Thanks, yeah? Shum.
Yeah, man, and just know, say people, I just peace where I say people. And love, because my family, I love them. You see me? But I have to love me too. And I make no woman come for nothing I come show no basket man and a ray. I go to Jamaica, that's on the stay. Because more time you get a life nice. You see me, I say the amount of house in the yard.
Text if you make ragga talk because it's more time when you have to talk and the only thing you can do. If you don't talk, you go to rat.
Yeah man, my fans them don't stop support good enough because I know they good enough. She sure I like pay good and I know they good enough thing the people I eat that. Last time I go one thing them dance all can smile. Style everybody I show me love. Because everybody know ragga ruggy yard. So when I deal with gun. You see me, I'm going to like all of my black brother and my black sister have a heart like we. Pastor Kunti and Crapper, Chishraya, the whole of we have a heart like ragga ruggy. Everybody feel about like Pastor ragga ruggy. You see what I say? Kunti, the whole of we brother. I know say yo, I love and unity and strength. You see me, so I mean nobody. Because some of them people at Jamaica, everybody can say, man, put a tape on them. I talk about them at the surgery. If you rap people money, I find. Chicken foreign money, I drop I find on a wickedest place at Jamaica right now. I'm soon have to get my phone up to date car. The credit sitting soon done. I have to pay your bills over here. I'm going to give them a chance to come and find people. And them come the foolish night people in country. People, nobody never grow me a street. I grew up in a cold skill, my bun. I help myself. I tell myself, you think I'm so smart? I make school myself. No make nobody come down and live nowhere. And I have a big fat place.
No, explain that little boss. Alright, in the yard where you live, how much houses in the yard?
General, more than 8. Alright, Charlie house in the yard. The Charlie round there, so. Ricky house, the right there, so. Ricky house lock up. You see me, I don't be honest with the people. And when me leave my man Yvette in my house and them mash up my place. T4 me thing them broke me house, my TV, tutor, everything out tight. Out of my house. So I decide to build a house to them. You see me I say, so when me build the house to them, I lock up my place because I think I thief out. So the house me, I budget me to buy the seat them, you know. I 2 times go up here, I change money, you know. and Neil Ricky School that I'm little brother, Bruce Billios, you know, and get the youth that coming to Billios. I remember if just move in, you know, people are capturing, they can't build policeman captured, and a January man, the people come bulldozer on the place. Post me was idiot to build policeman captured, and walk at my house now. My nephew dead, but me buried, and one house the back of it, where mama can go in the dog stay. One big fat house back of it, 2 concrete house in the yard. You see me? One I tell people want to live the way. You have the big rich place at Chisholm Avenue and Dusty Park, your mother dead left. And I come talk about me and I do not for you. When your daughter leave you, what day me down your daughter leave you. And me ride my bicycle to buy food for you, sit down and eat and talk about, oh Sean, oh you have a nice good son. You know what I'm saying, man? When they used to beat me and tie me up and beat me and myself. I remember everything of my family them do to me, the people. Everything. So when nobody come and I come talk about you, I never try them stop me. To the thing shiny and now. Don't make nobody come chicken up. To come get my money from my fans. Them kind of my fans them come talk about them and I send money to give my mother. Me said don't do that. Cause you try this system. My mother rich alright. You see me? So people don't make nobody come and I come talk about oh this and Ray and I watch and I Ray. Us family. Other that me could never do that to one of my brother. The first thing my brother come on the TV and say no. Your mother kill me. And my mother is soon dead. Because she's 75. What kind of
argument
what
that?
People are using the brains of people and know is a murderer, this man. Only for come and say my mother soon dead. And your mother the America. Your mother my youth. I do come and do one of my mother because me do one love half. You see me, you're just jealous youth. Because you then check say now, oh everything. And we have to come beg you and Ray and you're the golden child and you're alone with something. It burn you. You see me away the little thing that we design up and make up. You see me? And why if I take the show Rising King come here? Why would them 10 years come send out video? Eh? Why you never send out video last year before? You can't, you think my fans are like that? Let me tell you something. You check anybody in the world. England, everybody see my documentary and me and the people them loving England. The people them love me. We don't love Ragga Rugi as Satan. And anybody at Jamaica don't love Ragga Rugi as devil because Ragga Rugi feed the poor. Ragga Rugi walk in there. Why you think me have nothing in life? Why you think me broke Congress and I have nothing in life? Eh? I just have to buy skin of life. If you come to farm, sell them and buy a box. So now I can give people everything in my life. These people are mean. You never see what people that broke the bread in a share. All this man and this ugly man that come on TV. I sell them send barrel. I sell people with people clothes. I give people clothes. Watch my documentary them. It was full. Everybody gets something. Some people support the good. You see me, because most of the people who are supporters, some of them are pagans, some of them big artists are by you know. Me some your people support good support on our own project who they here. Just like all the people know say any big artist come in now we are support Ragga Rugi. Because Ragga Rugi the artist who make you laugh. Ragga Rugi the artist bring the good thing to the show. Ragga Rugi the artist who bring the costume. And most of these show I don't get money. I don't get a cent from them show yeah. When we go to the promoter them free the show, the man promoter run, promoter I don't get money. I just do it for the love of the people and my talent to me have. People I don't eat from Wednesday because we need to do good for human being. And them come down community, pure water me I drink. I don't eat. I'm stressed, I don't sleep. Because I don't fear. You see me? The woman sit down and eat bun and cheese all day. And the woman there, no. I don't want to hear she not see me. People, just don't say I love. Don't make them chicken up. Support me because I come from dirt. I'm trying from 5 years old. You see me? I never seen my brother and my sister them yet. Never will me a try, so don't make these people chicken up. Go on YouTube and put in 12-year-old Ragga Rugi. I pay a stranger around me. You see me I say?
Flitters, the advert is going to jump in now. The program is about to finish. So just say your last couple of words. My
fans, thank you.
The program.
Thank you very much for my fans. I'm a well supporter. I love when I take out my glass. I want to see in my dream. I love on the people. I really love the support. Harry Tyler, all of the fans, them, Rapper Crapper, all of the people who support me. You see me? All of the people them love, thank you, big up Dr. Love, and one next Unstoppable, thank you, you know, Unstoppable, big them up. You see me? I'm gonna send out that people, the people them judge the case. You see me? And sister your Ragga.
Innocent.
Innocent people, I love on the people. Don't stop support me people. Show them the love. Don't make Satan win people.
Tell them say we are a student right now.
We are a student of voice tune people. Don't stop support Michael people. I show some picture with me black. People me a white cute boy now people. I don't know me have to give you a little joke people. You know, I always give you a little joke. I love on the X, everybody, Clubs and Kitty, everybody, Simon Cat, everybody. You see me, Catman, everybody. You see me, and you can catch me in Vauxhall Market this Sunday, because you don't know this how I will cut in 1-1. Don't give poor people, and you know we have the thing them for the cheer, don't give poor people. I mean, nah, stop on the go. That's stick up yourself. After you do the sufferation, you doing me and go to school. Jesus Christ, you can't sit. Oh God Almighty, people. Oh God, I used to never have nothing in school myself, but them not grow me, them not do nothing for me as true. I start step up in a life. I help myself have ambition and pride people. Them see it now and never try bring me down 4 or 5 years back. You see me, anybody can give no food at them. My sister, when you can't get her back stuff. People don't know. Saturn, come to Backbush TV, Saturn.
Sate, you still can't go and talk to them because we're still live, you know.
Backbush TV, like and subscribe. You see that? Ragga-ruggy.
Look on the people, see them there?
Ragga-ruggy.
People?
You know what I mean? Up top.
I don't know if the next DJ forward, but we still have to go leave and go